Hi guys, this is Jyoti. You can call me Joe, and Maddie's with me. We are reacting to a trailer today, but before that, a quick intro. We are ex-media radio professionals, a doctor and an engineer who made it into the radio industry, and we used to do this for a living, and now we're doing it online for everybody's benefit, and we are thoroughly enjoying ourselves. So yes, what are we getting into today, Maddie?
Today we're going to react to the trailer of Hamilton the musical. You would have to
Lovely.
be living off the grid, living under a rock if you did not hear
Have
about
heard.
Hamilton or
Yeah.
Hamilton the musical or Lin-Manuel Miranda, right? You really
Yes.
have to have had no contact with pop culture if you hadn't heard about any of these that I mentioned in the last couple of years.
Yeah.
So this is basically the musical that's being streamed on Disney Plus on its platforms, and this has the original cast. It's a recording of the 2015 musical when it was staged on Broadway. So it has the original cast with Lin Manuel Miranda,
Lovely.
and we did read about fans who are very heartbroken when he walked away from the original cast, and they were like, oh, we missed a chance to see the original in its true form or the way it was meant to be. Of course, now there's an actor who's replaced him. So and with COVID and no travel and no socializing and gathering to watch anything performative anytime soon, so this might be
Yeah.
exciting for anyone who's been wanting to catch Hamilton.
I'm very excited personally because I had plans to, travel to the US last summer, and this was
Mm-hmm.
on my list of things to do and catch
Mm-hmm.
in whichever city I could, but that didn't happen. And now, of course, travel is indefinitely postponed.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
a big, a huge thank you to the people behind Hamilton for releasing it early. It was supposed to be a 2021 release
Yes.
or a late 2020,
Mm-hmm.
right? So, they brought
Mm-hmm.
it forward and they just released the trailer. No, I'm very excited because I love him.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's
Yes.
just let's get into it.
So be still our beating hearts. So let's watch the trailer, and then we shall talk
Yeah.
right after this. So shall we?
ठीक है चलो. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. One, two, three, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Right.
Oh, it's just around the corner.
Founding father without a father, got a lot farther by working a lot harder, by being a lot smarter, by being a self-starter.
To your union and the hope that you provide. May you always be satisfied.
This
Wow.
is Hamilton.
Nice.
Okay. Like I have goosebumps from start to end.
Yes.
Like I still have them. Can you see? Oh my God.
I'll have to take your word for it, but yeah, this is. I got very excited, and it really made me wish that I wasn't in a place where I was canceling my July trip to New York. My sister and I were supposed to do a trip to New York in July for the July the 4th weekend,
Like
and then obviously that's not happening. But it's well timed because it's going to be out on Disney Plus on the 3rd of July, which is just going to be in time for the
July 4th
Independence
weekend.
Day, July 4th weekend. So it's a very smart move, and
But I
now
mean,
it's making me
perfect.
wish I was watching the musical. It's really
I
making me wish I was watching it on Broadway.
I exactly like somewhere like in those sitting in the audience and seeing this
Yes,
live will be
yeah,
something else. Just the music, the
would
singing,
be.
the entire like I for the music of course, but the
Uh huh.
costumes, the lighting. If it looks that good in a 1 minute trailer, I cannot even
You can imagine
imagine.
what the musical would be like, right? Yeah. Yep.
Just speechless. I have not been speechless like this in a long time. And
In a
I
long
mean,
time, yes.
he didn't even do much in that trailer, but damn, the entire production.
It's the music. It's the
Yeah.
music and the production. Um,
Oh my
Again,
God.
for those who just started watching, we've just
Getting
reacting to
goosebumps.
the trailer of Hamilton, the official trailer for Hamilton that's going to be streaming on Disney Plus starting the 3rd of July. And it's based on the life of Alexander Hamilton, who was one of the founding fathers. He was the Secretary of the Treasury, and it chronicles his life. And also, it's interesting because it has a very diverse cast, and it's got people from various ethnicities playing the founding fathers, which I think was a
Amazing.
a
Yeah.
very interesting twist on the whole story. And
Yeah.
because Lin Manuel, I think is he from Puerto Rico?
I think so. Yeah.
So he's also, because he's brought in all the musical influences that he grew up with. So it's a
Amazing.
musical, but it's also got a lot of hip hop, and it's got rap, and it's also got the
Jazz
classic
and
tunes.
yeah.
Yes. So and that's why you see a lot of freestyling in it, which is what
Yeah.
was groundbreaking about Hamilton the musical, because it was history but retold in a very contemporary way without losing the essence of the story. So
Yeah, and
yeah.
I just saw his interview on Jimmy Fallon's show this last week, and he was promoting the release and all of that. And so Jimmy, you know how he plays games with his guests and all. So he did this freestyle rap battle sort of thing, because he said that like Jimmy said that I've seen your Hamilton many times. I've been lucky enough, and one time when he went to see it, I think it was in Seattle, I'm not sure, but Lin Manuel told him to come early. He's like, no, come before the show when we're warming up, and just sit and be there. And Jimmy Fallon was like, I was shocked because all of you were doing this sort of warm-up exercise on stage where there was just a box with chits and words on them, and everyone was pulling one out and then rapping on that word
And they
just
were
sort of
freestyle.
freestyling. And he's like, just watching you guys go with that warm-up session, he's like, my jaw was on the floor and I couldn't believe it. So let's do that. And so he did this whole like game on the spot with Lin Manuel, where he just kept putting up placards and giving him one more thing, one more object, one more this thing. And I think Lin Manuel just went for it for like 5 minutes straight, and it was freaking. I was like,
Yes.
dude, like I gotta watch Hamilton now. You are so good. Oh my God.
Yeah.
But that's just sheer pure talent, and it's just
It is sure.
it's
And I
inherent.
think it's to have that kind of talent to not miss a beat and not
Yes.
lose your flow, but also quickly improvise. I can't even fathom how quickly your brain must be working
work.
to do all of those things right at the same time.
Yeah.
It's
And
the
to
same
rhyme
thing,
and to make a point, and it's what rappers do as well. And yeah,
correct.
this level of artistry is just
So I think it's very safe to say that Joe and I will be watching Hamilton the musical on the 3rd of July.
for sure.
And
If I can
then
find,
we will
yeah,
still make plans to go watch it when we can live on stage.
for sure. That's a promise to myself. Bucket list. Hashtag.
That's a bucket list. That's a bucket list. I mean, considering that the musical was on things to do while you were in New York for the longest time, right?
Yeah.
You couldn't find tickets. You had to book them 6 months in advance, because
In
that's
advance.
how popular the musical was. So
Yeah.
for those who can't travel and those who haven't had luck getting tickets, then this is what
This
you
is the
should be
best
doing
way to experience
the upcoming
greatness.
weekend.
Yes.
Yes.
And we don't know much about the American history, so it'll also be a good learning experience for us.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
It will.
So yes, on that note, love it. Looking forward to watching it, and we may just do a review after we've both seen it. But if you have any recommendations or what we should react to next, leave us a comment. And until next time, ta-da!
Bye.
Bye.